Samita. How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Thanks for joining me for another 12 days of Teardowns.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Today we're going to be looking at Kylie Cosmetics. Can you tell us a little bit about your experience with this brand? I know you're our reality TV specialist here.
So I've been following Kylie Cosmetics for a long time since they came out. I want to say in the 2010s, maybe like 2015, 16-ish time. Um, since then, I've never purchased anything from the site, but I definitely have checked in every once in a while on their sales and just the site. And obviously, they've grown the brand from used to just be the lip kit. Now it's a whole skincare line, makeup line, all that stuff. So kind of excited to dive back in.
Yeah, me too. I don't think I've purchased anything from this website since like the first few launches. Like I think I had the original like eyeshadow palette and I definitely
Hmm.
got a couple of the Christmas lip kits. So I'm definitely
Hmm.
excited to revisit this site.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, Kylie Cosmetics. And Samita is one of our CRO strategists. So she has a lot of experience looking at sites and coming up with great test concepts and recommendations. Okay, first up, here's this pop up. Samita, tell me what you think of this pop up.
It's okay. I mean, 15% off is not the biggest draw for me to sign up necessarily. I think usually if I'm going to put in my email address, it might be like a 20 or 25% off.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and also I'm a little hesitant because it says you get the 15% off if you do email and SMS. And I kind of prefer not to do SMS because I don't want my phone to blow up with messages.
Yeah, I
But
agree.
yeah, but I do like that they're showcasing the cosmetics. Like they're showcasing Kylie. They're clearly wearing, or I'm assuming
Mm-hmm.
wearing some of the products. So like it looks really great. So that might be encouraging. But and I like that you can choose which brand you want to purchase from, or which brand you want to get emails from.
Definitely. I agree. So do you think you would enter your email? Seems like a no.
I don't think I would enter my email now.
Okay, let's X out. Okay, cookie consent.
All
Accept cookies.
right.
Okay, what are your first impressions? Just by looking at the site, what do you think that they sell? Do you feel like they give you a good sense of what they offer here?
Well, so I really like that up at the top of the navigation, they're doing what we often call a utility navigation or um, I don't know exactly what to call it, but yeah, basically a utility navigation that showcases the different brands. So you have like Kylie Cosmetics, Kylie Skin, Kylie Baby, so you can kind of shop based on your specific need. I think that's great to kind of funnel users into relevant shopping experiences. And then I like that they're noting that there's free shipping with 40 plus because I've been to the site
Love
before,
that.
so I have a little background on the price point, and I feel like you could hit $40 pretty easily here and get that free shipping. Um, the one thing I'd say above the fold is it's interesting that they have like two rows for their navigation links. So like under Wizard of Oz,
Mm-hmm.
it says the gift guide. That's a
Yeah,
little bit unconventional. Like typically, you'd like to see all the um, navigation links in one row. So that's because that kind of takes up a little bit of real estate there. But otherwise, pretty standard. And then, I mean, I guess they're doing something kind of similar to us with their Kylie's 12 Days of Surprises. So
mm-hmm.
some promotional opportunities there as well.
Definitely. Okay. It's interesting that sticky navigation
Mhm.
looks like you can X out of this, which is nice.
Yeah. Because I mean, the biggest thing is real estate, right? On a
Of course.
website. And
Mm-hmm.
so this is the desktop version. I'd be curious on the mobile version how it looked. If we were to do some like further research on the site. But yeah, I think they're doing a good job of using the real estate they have, but could maybe do a little bit more with that navigation.
100%. What do you think about this hero image? I know
I
you
like
mentioned it
it.
already a little bit.
It definitely looks a little bit holiday themed, like the
Mm-hmm.
pink, the kind of, and then noting that it's like day two of the 12 days of surprises. And then also, of course, the promotion, like you buy one gloss, get one free. That's always a good deal.
Mm-hmm. This gives me a lot of motivation to keep shopping.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's scroll down. Have these product images. Looks like, again, the lip gloss, part of their promotion.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I like that they're doing like nice high resolution images, and then that you can kind of scroll through the images without clicking into a product page is kind of nice. You can see like what the actual tube looks like, but then also what it looks like on a person.
I agree.
Yeah.
I also like this little back in stock flag they have there. Kind of calls out that it's a popular product.
Yeah. They definitely, and I know they've definitely sold out of like their most popular products, I'm sure, like multiple times over. So,
Oh, of course.
yeah.
Okay, and interesting, you can add to cart right from here.
Yeah, I like that. And I think that for a product like this that's pretty self-explanatory, right? I think most people understand what lip gloss or lip kits, those kinds of products are just from the context of the images. I think it's good to have the add to cart right on the homepage. We don't always recommend that, but I think that in this case, it kind of makes sense because these are pretty self-explanatory products.
I agree. And I'm sure a lot of people come here just to restock.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, a nice promotional image for their Wizard of Oz collection.
That's kind of fun.
Very similar product carousel.
Yeah.
Kind
okay, so then
their
the
bundles.
themed.
And I was noticing too that what you mentioned, the utility navigation, it looks like this is a homepage for everything. So there's promotional material for all of the different collections she has, cosmetic, skin, and baby. And then if you decided you wanted to go into a specific
category,
exactly, then you could specify unless you...
Yeah. I think they're doing a pretty good job of mixing the shopping opportunities, like, you know, the lip gloss purchases, the Wizard of Oz kit with these kind of promotional things, a holiday gift guide, the Wizard of Oz, like that banner. I think that's a nice way to kind of break up the homepage while also kind of keeping people focused on those relevant shopping opportunities.
I agree, definitely. I know it seems like they just do the same big promotional image and then product carousel.
Yeah.
Some more of those call out flags.
Yeah. But it might be interesting for them. Oh, sorry, Juliana.
No, you go.
Yeah. I might be interesting. I mean, the banners are good, but I also wonder if it might be interesting for them to kind of highlight product quality. You know, what makes Kylie, obviously it's the name, the Kardashian Jenner name, right? But what's the differentiator that's making this product superior? Because I've heard, like, personally, I've heard people talk about those lip kits as being like really long lasting, like long wear, good quality, they're not drying, those kinds of things. Like, it might be helpful to put on the homepage when you're promoting some of these for this, like, balm, for example. Is it hydrating? Is it going to last a long time? What's the average wear? Those kinds of things might be interesting for people that are coming to shop. Just the differentiators.
Definitely. I agree. Especially with lip gloss, because it can be so sticky.
Yeah.
And it's nice when brands are like, this is not like a non-super sticky lip gloss, or other kind of qualities.
Because also lip gloss is like, if we look at the price point here, this like is what, $16, $17. And I mean, that's like the average price of, I'd say, like a lip gloss you might find at Sephora or something like that. So there's a lot of brands that have like kind of these established quality metrics, right? And so why would I spend $16 on Kylie's versus some other brand that's at a similar price point that's a little bit more established? So I think like differentiating that there might be a good move for them.
I agree, definitely. One thing I think is interesting is that she's looking at the Shop Now CTA.
Yeah, she's telling you.
It's good visual direction.
Yeah, it is really good. And I mean, every banner they've had has the Shop Now directive, which is great because, again, you want to get people into the shopping into the shopping spirit.
Exactly. Keep going down. Another collection, Batman.
Very cool.
Mm-hmm. I agree. I love this. Oh, and I like this too.
Oh,
With
yeah.
certain products, it has what it looks like on a bunch of different skin colors. You get a sense of just how many colors you're getting.
Yeah.
I like that.
I like that a lot too, because I mean, that's something, like, I'm a POC and it can be sometimes challenging to find stuff that's going to look good on darker skin tones. So that is really helpful.
Totally. Aw. Make bath time special. It's nice copy. I like that.
Yeah.
Seems like more of her Kylie baby products. Oh, Kylie's values. I love this because I know this is an important element of the brand. Is that they're clean, vegan, gluten-free.
Yeah, and again, like, I think that's so important. So it's like something I might even highlight higher up. Like,
yeah.
Because again, like, what differentiates Kylie from any other brand? And obviously, like I said, the name is so important. But, like, clearly they are paying attention to these type of values. Not using synthetic products, making sure things are cruelty free, vegan, etc. So I think in this case, it would be helpful to highlight that, because also we know just from general, UX research and all that stuff, that users, the depth of scroll, even on a homepage, is usually not super far below the hero area. So I'm sure at this point in the journey, most people have dropped off or kind of gone to find to find specific products or use the navigation, especially on a site like this that has a pretty decent number of products. So I think highlighting something like this higher up, where it will get more visibility, would be a opportunity for them.
I agree. That's a really great point. Okay, now in the footer we have a lot of social channels.
Yeah, and that makes sense. And I think this is good to keep it pretty simple, like, some FAQ, some shipping stuff, and then the social stuff, because of course social is how they promote their brand. I'm sure largely how they promote their brand.
Exactly. I agree. Okay. Any final thoughts on Kylie Cosmetics? If you could give this website a rating from A to F, what grade would you give it?
I think I'd give it a solid B. Like, it has some really great elements, a really good promotion, and I think really leveraging their social kind of pull here with the high quality imagery, the shopping opportunities on the homepage, all that stuff. But I think there's some, the navigation could be a little bit refined, and I think maybe there's some opportunity to promote some values of the brand higher up on the site.
I agree. Okay. Well, thank you, Samita, for your time today and for joining me for another 12 Days of Teardowns.
Thank you.